Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make yacon soup with pork ribs. I think it's the best soup to lose weight and beauty. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 6 slices of ginger for this soup. Then save them for later. Next, we should wash 200 g fresh pork ribs. If you buy it from the market, you can ask the salesperson to help you chop it. After that, we blanch pork ribs. Firstly, add 3 slices of ginger, pork ribs, enough water into the pan. Use the big fire to heat them. After the water has boiled, cook pork ribs for 3 minutes. After that, drain and save them for later. Next, we should prepare carrot and yacon for this soup. After washing 1 carrot and peel it, use a herb to cut it into pieces. After washing 1 yacon and peel it, use a herb to cut it into pieces. If you don't use the yacon right now, you should put it into the water to prevent oxidation. Now we can start to cook yacon soup with pork ribs. Add 3 slices of ginger, pork ribs, carrot, and yacon into the pan. Then add enough water to immerse them. Use the big fire to heat them. After the water has boiled, use small fire to cook them for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, add half teaspoon salt into the pan. Stir them evenly. Then we got the delicious yacon soup. The color of the soup is clear and very moist. This soup has the function of lowering fat, lowering blood pressure, controlling cholesterol and losing weight, but also can adjust the intestine and stomach. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.